हामबाय आं सिगां पार्ट 67 जरा आलोचना खायखा दिनै 68 नहैते इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नि जे कंपलसरी एमसीक्यू अब जे कोनो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम बा अब नामको को गाय पहिला थेके पाइथक जरा नाय दंनि फर्स्ट नंबर 68 according to which amendment now law giving effect to the directive principle article 36b and c can be challenged as violating of fundamental right ega abo hangani ni article ni 42nd Indian constitution is federal which article provided that any law passed in violation of fundamental right is void to extent of such violation. Article 13 in the Constitution of India, the term federal does not figure anywhere. Which one of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? Which one of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? Dual citizenship. Which of the state of Indian Federation has a separate constitution? Separate constitution in Jammu and Kashmir. Constitutional government means limited government. Which one of the following is not a part of the basic structure of Indian Constitution? अब हमका parliament form of government. Article 249 of the Indian Constitution is associated with the function of the state list. In how many articles of Indian Constitution directive principle of the state policy are mentioned? From Article 36 to 51. From Article 36 to 51. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution initiate fundamental duties? अब हम कहने ने Article 51A. The term state has been defined in which of the following article of Indian Constitution? अब हम कहने Article 8. The philosophical foundation of the Indian Constitution is preamble. अब हम preamble. Under which article of Indian Constitution a High Court can issue writs to protest the fundamental right? Article 32. Under which article of Indian Constitution a High Court can issue writs to protect the fundamental right? Fundamental right हमका ने issue हमका article 226 article 32. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution empower the governor of issue ordinance during recess of the state legislature? Which of the following article of Indian Constitution empower the governor of issue ordinance during recess of the state legislature? अब हमका ने article 13. Originally, jurisdiction of Supreme Court is mentioned in which of the following article of Indian Constitution? Ingkai abang kanini article 131. Which article of the Indian Constitution empower the Parliament to legislate on a subject of the state list? Abang kai nini article 249. Article 249. When was the first amendment in Indian Constitution made? Abang kai December 1950. December 1950. The Constitution of India based the executive power of the Indian Union in which of the following? Which of the following? Abang kai nini the president. Which of the following is article of Indian Constitution empower the president to appoint controller and auditor general? Controller and auditor general. Abang kai nini article 148. Article 148. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty under the Indian Constitution? Another Constitution kai abang kai to protect monument of national importance. Which part of the Constitution of India refer to responsibility of the state toward international peace and security? International peace and security hingai awang kai ini directive principle of state policy. Article 30 of the Indian Constitution deals with abang kai right to minorities to establish and manage educational institute. Which article of Indian Constitution declared Devanagari Hindi as an official language of India? Abang kai 300. How many members were assigned cabinet mission is sorry. Which article of Indian Constitution declared Devanagari Hindi an official language of India? Abang kai nini article 343. Article 343. How many members were assigned cabinet mission in Constitutional Assembly? Abang kai nini 296. Total 296. Oh yeah, 296. What was the duration in the marking Indian Constitution? 2 year 11 month 18 days. 2 year 11 month 18 days. Enggak clear naga awan pore which of the following fundamental right is given a Indian citizen only? Abang kan ini freedom of speech. Which of the following is not granted by the Constitution? Granted by the Constitution hingga nini freedom of strike. Freedom of strike. Money bill has been defined in 110. 110 or 110. Which article of the Constitution laid down that state shall take step to organize village panchayat? Village panchayat article 73. Article 73. The office of the Controller and Auditor General of India was created by the Constitution. Which of the following is not a constitutional authority? Which of the following is not a constitutional authority? Awang angkai Zila Panchayat. MANREGA scheme has been launched as a part of implementing which one of the following article of the Indian Constitution. Abo hungkai nini Article 47. Article 47. Article 47. Sorry. Abo C kalai abo B. Article 47. Which of the following gave the idea of constitution? Constitution hingkai nini cabinet mission plan. Cabinet mission plan. Under which article of Indian Constitution President of India enjoy power of withhold his asset asset on any bill. Abo hungkai article number 111, 111, 111. Under which article of Indian Constitution adjudication of dispute related to water of into state reversibly in time. Abo hungkai nini article 262. Article 260. Which part of the Constitution envisages a three-tier system panchayat. Three-tier system panchayat. Abo hungkai part 4. Part 4. Which part of the Constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayat? Three-tier system of panchayat. Part 3-tier system of panchayat. Part 11. Sorry. Part 11. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Okay. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Okay. Our drafting committee member sabaya okay. Nini Araba J.L. Nehru. Indian Constitution is part rigid, part flexible. Neither right nor flexible. Araba part rigid and part flexible. Which one of the following article of the Indian Constitution provided for all Indian service? Article 32. The idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been brought from Australia. Which article of the Indian Constitution empower the President to consult the Supreme Court? Article 143. The Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by the President of India. When did the Indian Constitution Assembly meet for the first time? 9 December 1946. Which one of the following term does not appear in the Constitution of India? Consolidated Fund of India. The political parties got the Constitution recognition for the first time in the year 1985. Article 371B of the Constitution of India makes special provision for which of the following state? Manipur. Which of the following article of the Constitution vests the executive power of the Union in the President? Article 54. Which of the following article of the Constitution based the executive power of the Union in the President? Article 54. The Constitution of India provided for an election commission under Article 324. Article number 324. The Constitution of India was completed by which of the following dated? The Constitution of India was completed by which of the following dated? अब होगा Jan 26, 1950. Jan 26, 1950. The guardian of fundamental right. The guardian of fundamental right is judiciary. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution guarantee equality of opportunity to all citizens of Indian matter relation to public employment? अब हम करेंगे article 16(3), 4 and 5. Which article of the Constitution permit the Supreme Court to review its own judgment or order? अब हम करेंगे article 137. The first amendment to the Constitution carried out in 1951 related to the Constitution of India does not contain any provision for the impeachment of. The Constitution of India does not contain any provision for the impeachment of the governor of state. By which one of the following constitutional amendment Delhi has become national capital region? By which one of the following constitutional amendment Delhi has become national capital region? 69 amendment. How many type of emergency have been envisaged under the Indian Constitution? अब हम करेंगे 3. The proposal for framing of the Indian Constitution of India by an elected constitutional assembly was made by. अब हम करेंगे British cabinet delegation. The India of the directive principle of state policy in India Constitution has been taken from the Constitution of. अब हम करेंगे D.D. Basu. अब हम Ireland होते ना देखो. Who of the following has stated that the Constitution has not been set in right vote of federalism? अब हम लास्ट निशान था एक आया अब आया. Which of the following is concerned with the 61st amendment of the Indian Constitution? 61 amendment का अब हम 61 amendment. Which of the following concerned with the 61 amendment of Indian Constitution? Lowering the age of vote. Pane 21 18 to money. The president can be impeachment on the ground of violating the Constitution by the two House of Parliament. Which one of the following liberties is not embodied in the preamble of the Constitution of India? अब हम economic liberty. Who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitutional Committee of the Constitutional Assembly. Sardar Patel, Constitutional Assembly, Sardar Patel. All the executive power in Indian Constitution is vested with Prime Minister. Procedure for creation of Legislative Council in state has been described in which article of the Constitution? Article 169. Article 169. Who of the following move to objective resolution in the Constitutional Assembly? Article 266. Article 266. Which one of the following word was not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution in 1975? Integrity. The federal system of India was inspired by the Constitution of the following. The federal system of India was inspired by the Constitution of the following. Canada. The fundamental duties are mentioned in the following part of the Constitution of India. Part 4A. Which amendment to the Constitution inserted Article 21A providing right to education in the Constitution. 84 amendment. Which of the following is not included in the state in the Constitution of India? Criminal Procedure Code. The number of members included in Constitution Drafting Committee are 7. The 10th schedule of Indian Constitution deals with anti-defensive legislation. And the member of official language recognition under 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. 22. Schedule 22. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? 395. 395 originally. The article of Indian Constitution related to abolition of untouchability. Article 17. Abolish untouchability. By which name and which country mentioned it in country? Indian and Bharat. Which provision related to the fundamental right is directly related to the exploitation of children? Article 24. The first status of the government of India under the direct rule of the British government was. The first status of the government of India under the direct rule of the British government was the. Government of Indian Act 1858. Which article is related to special address by the President? Special address. Article 87. as per the Constitution of India, that is the limit prescribed for the number of members in the Legislative Assembly of a state. Kandini 500 members. Engkai to chung prai 151 ta important MCQ Indian Constitution in naikha engkai nai tong yo mahai ang one by one upload khai to ko jokon somoi mano. Hambai